Welcome to a new video. My name is Myra Cagete. Today, I'm going to give you a short quiz about irregular verbs. All you have to do is to say the past and the past participle forms of the verbs that you will see on the screen. For example, go, went, gone. Mas mabilis na sagot, mas maganda. Are you ready? Let's begin. Teach. Taught, taught. Grow. Grew, grown. Swim. Swam, swum. Have. Had, had. Keep. Kept, kept. Ring. Rang, rung. Show. Showed, shown. Cut. Cut, cut. Lend. Lent, lent. Tear. Tore, torn. Buy. Bought, bought. Cut. Cut, cut. Begin. Began, begun. Wear. Wore, worn. Forbid. Forbade, forbidden. I hope you were able to perfect the quiz today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time.